Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Spotify keeps pausing songs problem. If you're using Spotify and you want to stop or fix your Spotify if it's keep pausing your songs. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll in the control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. Or I recommend you have to try to use a Wi-Fi network connection to get better performance here. Just try to enable or disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your app store, go for search for Spotify, and you just have to try to upload your app. Here, you just have to make sure that your Spotify app is up to date. There's no any pending update for your Spotify app. If you find this, try to update your app. So after updating, you have to go back, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to simply go to your settings app, and here very first go to Bluetooth settings, and you just have to make sure that Bluetooth is not enabled. If you find it's enabled, just try to disable this because sometimes your YouTube might go this type errors because it's trying to connect or disconnect from any device. So you just have to try to disable your Bluetooth, then go back from here and go to general, go to iPhone storage here. Just look for your Spotify app and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete apps. In case of offloading or deleting, you have to try to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation your issue must have to be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware with your Spotify app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.